Hi, I'm Chris from QAST. A lot of tuck shops are struggling financially right now, so we've put together a financial advisory service, which is free to members. All you need to do to access the service is to send us your profit and loss statement, your menu, and have a chat with one of us over the phone. We'll send out a report that has a checklist of things to do to make you profitable. Marshall Road State School recently took advantage of this service.
Well, I think every parent and carer is anxious about changes to anything that involves their children. I think that it really helped that we had a guide to make changes to our menus, and also we had a really open team to improve.
Now, we ordered the QAST Financial Advisory Service. It was actually a discussion that we had in a PNC meeting, looking at getting rid of our red foods, and then we were concerned whether we would still be profitable and whether we were a service or wanting a profit, and we just wanted some help and some guidance into what to do. When we started, we rang, then I sent in our financials for over the last 12 months, and it wasn't very long before I got my answer and with advice on what to do, and then we discussed it at our PNC meetings, and then we implemented.
The feedback from the school community has been positive, and I put that down to Tanya and Linda's really excellent communication with the school community about what's going on, and also the way that they've done it. It means that all of the food is absolutely amazing, it's tasty, it's delicious, and it's healthy.
I think becoming a member to be able to have QAST come and work with your tuck shop would be really valuable. What we've found is because our tuck shop, Convita and PNC were able to send in their menu and QAST worked with them and were able to provide a lot of experience and information about how to become more financially profitable.
Well, portion sizing, salt content, fat content, red, green foods, healthy lifestyle, I'm already baffled. I don't know how people can get through this without an organised body to help us through it, and that's really helped us.
I would say to other schools that it's fabulous. Do it, have a go. It's worked. We're doing well, and it's easy and very friendly.